guys, we just caught a big one, or a bigger, splashing around. Come on. He's trying.
This guy,
I don't like fishes.
Okay, watch out. I'm gonna bring him to shore.
Alright.
Can you get the glove and pliers?
Yeah. Gotta get the glove, gotta get the pliers. Hopefully the birds don't eat our bread. Bring them to shore. They're gonna be...
You don't have to...
Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty.
Because these guys are feisty.
Little feisties. I'm gonna do it next.
These guys have big things.
Doesn't it look like so fake, you guys?
Wow. Don't move.
Did you just like cut it out, or?
No, I don't want to like touch. I don't know. I just don't really like releasing fish. I like catching them, but not releasing them.
Same.
Come on, if I can get a hold of this thing. Calm down.
I would try it, but I don't like getting close to fish.
You're gonna get it in farther, you know that.
Oh my gosh. You have to like cut his face off. Fish. Stop it. You're gonna die if you keep doing that. Can they live without being in water? Stupid fishy.
Might not actually be able to get him out because he bent it.
And how are you supposed to do it? Just wait till he dies and clip off the line.
That's what I might have to do because the hook's like bent like crazy.
See the fish right there? Right there. Go over there. And if I make separate videos of fishing a lot, because I'm uploading them from my phone. I don't have my camera right now. It's all bloody.
Maybe you can stop it because it's gonna be a while.
Okay, well, I'll tell you guys how it goes. So, yeah. And I'll tape some when I'm fishing too.